Hello everyone, this is a video about redox reaction. Redox is short for reduction-oxidation reaction. The key point of this kind of reaction is the transfer of electrons. This kind of reaction involves in most energy transferring reactions in the cell, so it's very important for us to fully understand it. So basically, oxidation is the loss of electrons, and reduction is the gain of electrons. An easy way to memorize them is to think about the word oil and rig respectively. Now I'm going to use the composition of methane as an example to show you how do we determine which reactant is being oxidized and which one is being reduced. Before we start, let me first introduce the concept of electronactivity. Electronactivity is a measure of an atom. Is a measure of the ability of an atom to hog electrons. So if we look at the periodic table, the electronactivity of an atom increases from left to right, and it also increases from bottom to top. This means the atoms from the right side have a stronger ability of hogging electrons from those from the left, and the atoms on the top is more electronegative than those on the bottom. So let's look at this reaction again. In methane molecule, carbon is combined with hydrogen. Since carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen, it will hog electrons from hydrogen, so the electrons are more likely to be around carbon atoms. And if we look at the product side, carbon is combined with oxygen, which has a stronger electronegativity, so oxygen will hog electrons from carbon. And in the overall reaction, carbon is losing electrons, so methane is being oxidized. And for the oxygen molecule on the reactant side, since there are two oxygen atoms bonding together, they will share the electrons evenly. And on the product side, oxygen is combined with hydrogen, so it's going to hog electrons from hydrogen. And in the overall reaction, oxygen is gaining electrons, so it's being reduced. And another important thing to remember is that the molecule who is being reduced is working as an oxidizing agent, and the molecule who is being oxidized is working as a reducing agent. In this case, methane is undergoing oxidation. It is being oxidized and is also worked as a reducing agent. As for oxygen, it is undergoing reduction. It's becoming reduced, and it works as a oxidizing agent. That's all I have to say for today. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps.